Dear students and all the viewers, welcome to Gopalganj Online School. Good afternoon, students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of God. I am also very well. I am your Shivli Madam, Assistant Teacher of Adarsha Govt Primary School, Gopalganj Sodor, Gopalganj. Today I am going to take English of class 5. Please join with me. Let's see a video all together. Look at the video.
Vegetables are really good, they'll give you energy. You should eat them in a meal 3 times a day. Carrots, broccoli, spinach, even peas. Look at all the colors, it's what you need. Healthy eating makes you wanna dance. Clap your hands and jump around and say, yes I can. Healthy eating makes you really strong. Your brain and body will really get along. Fruits are really yum and taste so sweet. They have lots of vitamins, it's really great. Apples, bananas, and strawberries. Eating them will help keep the doctor away. Healthy eating makes you wanna dance. Clap your hands and jump around and say, yes I can. Healthy eating makes you really strong. Your brain and body will really get along. Come on, hot dogs, hamburgers, and pizza. Oh yeah, cookies, steaks, and ice cream. They sound so sweet. Chips, candy, soda. We want it all. Just don't eat it every day, only as a treat. Yeah, healthy eating makes you wanna dance. Clap your hands and jump around and say, yes I can. Healthy eating makes you really strong. Your brain and body will really get along. Healthy eating makes you wanna dance. Clap your hands and jump around and say, yes I can.
Dear students, do you good feel? How nice, isn't so? Last week we discussed about Write to Me Soon, and we learned about the flu and which foods are healthy, which foods are not healthy. Okay? Today, now tell me, do you have any idea about flu? Who can say? Raise your hand. Raju, you say. Yes, you are right. Influenza, commonly known as flu. Flu is a respiratory illness that is caused by a virus. Flu is highly contagious and is usually spread by the coughs and sneeze of a person who is infected. Well done, Raju. Please sit down. Today we will do scene comprehension with the previous lesson. Okay? Please open your book at page 30. Read the lesson text and answer the questions 1, 2 and 3. পাঠ্যাংশটুকু পড়ে 1, 2, 3 নম্বর প্রশ্নের উত্তর দাও। Look at the board. Number 1. Match the words of column A with the similar matching of a column B. কলাম এর সাথে কলাম বি এর সমর্থক অর্থগুলো মিল করো। At first, I say and help you. Follow me. Number A, school. A plus 3. School, a place where students study. Okay? As you. B, doctor. B plus 5. Who advises medicine for the patients? C, juice. C plus one kind of drink. D, flu. D plus 2. Juice, one kind of disease. E, home. E plus 6. A place where people live. Do you understand? Dear students, hurry up, write on your khata. Stop writing. Show me your khata. Priya, you have written nice. Wonderful. Shoykot, thanks. That's so beautiful. Thank you. Dinti, it's okay. Thanks a lot. Sujan, it's all right. Wonderful. Others students, please matching with me. Look at the board. A plus 3. School, a place where a student study. B plus V. Who advises medicine for the patients? C plus on. Juice on kind of drink. D plus 2. Flu on kind of disease. E plus 6. Home, a place where people live. As we next, or fill in the blanks with the appropriate word from this box. There are extra words which you need not use. নিচের বক্স থেকে সঠিক উত্তরটি দিয়ে শূন্যস্থান পূরণ করো। অতিরিক্ত শব্দ দেওয়া আছে যেগুলো ব্যবহার করার প্রয়োজন নেই। সাম, ইল, রেগুলারলি, flu. Drink, home, cover, soft. A. Shima is dash. B. She has the dash. C. She needs dash medicine. D. Stay at dash. E. Wash your hands dash. Dear students, hurry up, write on your khata. Please stop writing. Matching with me. Look at the board. A. Shima is ill. Shima is ill. B. She has the flu. She has the flu. C. She needs some medicine. She needs some medicine. D. Stay at home. Stay at home. E. Wash your hands regularly. Wash your hands regularly. Do you understand? Okay, dear students, next number 2. Write true for correct statement or false for incorrect statement. সত্য হলে ট্রু এবং মিথ্যা হলে ফলস লিখো। A. Shima is at home today. B. She has a cough and sore throat. C. The doctor visited Shima today. D. Drink a lot of water or juice. E. Use your hands. F. We should eat healthy food. My sweet learners, quickly write on your khata. Stop writing. Please, matching with me. A. Shima is at home yesterday. That is not right. এটা সঠিক নয়. It's false. B. She has a cough and a sore throat. তার কাশি এবং সর্দি জ্বর বা ইনফ্লুয়েঞ্জা হয়েছে. It's true. See, the doctor visited Shima today. That's not right. It's false. D. Drink a lot of water or juice. পর্যাপ্ত পরিমাণে পানি অথবা জুস পান করো। It's true. E. Use your hand. That's not right. It false. F. We should eat healthy food. আমাদের স্বাস্থ্যসম্মত খাবার খাওয়া উচিত। It's true. Do you understand? Everybody, thanks. Next, number 3. Answer the following questions. নিচের প্রশ্নগুলোর উত্তর দাও। A. Where is Shima? Who can say? Raise your hand. Dinti, you say. Yes, you are right. Shima is at home. Shima is at home. Excellent. B. Why Shima didn't go to school? Shima কেন স্কুলে যায়নি? সুজন, you say. That's right. Shima didn't go to school because she has the flu. Shima didn't go to school because she has the flu. Wonderful. See, who is at home today? কে আজ বাড়িতে? সৈকত, you say. Yes, it's right. Shima is at home today. Shima is at home today. Very nice. What kind of food is Shima advised to eat? সীমাকে কী ধরনের খাবারের উপদেশ দেওয়া হয়েছে বা পরামর্শ দেওয়া হয়েছে? Eat food that gives your body energy. Eat food that gives your body energy. সেসব খাবার খাও যেসব খাবার তোমার শরীরে শক্তি যোগায়। ওয়েল ডান। What does the body require? Yes, you are right. Right. The body requires energy. The body requires energy. Excellent. Dear student, I write on the board. Hurry up, write on your khata. Because she has the flu. What is at home? Who is? Shima is. Who is at home today? Shima is at home today. Today, what kind of food is Shima advised to eat? Food that gives your body energy. Body energy. What does the body require? The body requires energy. Energy. Please stop writing. Onward, onward. Soon. Soon. What do you mean by soon? Yes, you are right. Soon Bangla meaning shigro I. Shigro I. Shigro I. English meaning in a short time. Short time. Dear students, hurry up, write on your on-day onward khata. Stop writing. Homework. Homework. Write 5 sentences about catching flu. Catching flu. Okay, write on your homework khata and collect when open your school. Then you will show your khata your English teacher. Okay, My cute and sweet learners, corona is growing again. So, we have to be careful. Don't panic. We will follow the rules of health. Stay at home. Stay safe. Goodbye.